steps to get some air.
Cat in the box. There's a cat in a Build-A-Bear box. Cat. He's like, no, this is my box, my home. My home. His name's Punky. I guess he just decided to climb inside the box, and now I'm gonna close it. Look at me closing the box. Let's close the box. And now we're carrying it to a different room.